Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the Vivid ETL tool. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, and Load. This tool allows you to access multiple cloud sources and localize data from these systems into a local SQL database, or to transfer that data to a hosted Azure database. First, we're going to log in to the Vivid ETL tool with our username and our password. And then we're going to select our destination server by entering our server name and our username and password for the server, as well as our database. Then we press Save, and now we're going to add our source by pressing Add Source. You'll notice on the left-hand menu here is a list of all the integrations that the Vivid ETL tool currently works with. However, this list will be updated as we continue to add more integrations. Today in our example, we'll be using a Microsoft Business Central database. Now you're going to want to sign into Business Central with your regular username and password. Now we're going to go to our production environment, press Next, and we're going to be using this Cronus Canada Inc. example company. Finish, and now we're going to add some objects with this green plus sign here. For sake of example today, I'm only going to add the dimensions object. Press OK, and then we would press Go. This process can also be scheduled. And now you can see within 4 seconds, your data has been transferred. This is a very simple tool to use, and we hope you can make the most of it. Thanks for watching.